Welcome guys. So today we are going to create an AI grocery app using Python and Flask. In this project, we'll build a smart web app where users can type what they want to cook and instantly get a complete grocery list. So without any wait, let's start the video. First, create a folder named AI Grocery App. Inside that, create a file with name app.py. This file will contain all of our backend logic. After that, create a folder named templates, and inside it, create an index.html file which will contain all of our user interface related code. Now open your app.py, and here we go. We import Flask to build the web app, render_template to serve HTML, request to handle incoming data, and JSONify to send JSON responses. The OS module is included for possible environment configurations. This initializes the Flask application, so we can define routes and run the server. This optional section shows how you could integrate OpenAI later. For now, it's commented out and not used. This function acts as a simple AI engine. It takes a user's query and returns a matching grocery list. Here we define a dictionary of recipes. Each recipe maps to a list of grocery items needed to prepare it. We convert the user's input to lowercase, so matching becomes easier and case-insensitive. We loop through each recipe and check if the user mentioned it in their query. If a match is found, we return the corresponding grocery list. If no match is found, we return a fallback response suggesting valid options. This is the home route. When a user visits the website, it loads the index.html file. This route handles post requests. It receives the user's input from the frontend in JSON format. We pass the user's query to our AI function to generate the grocery list. Finally, we send the result back to the frontend as a JSON response. This starts the Flask development server. Debug mode helps during development by showing errors and auto-reloading. Now open the index.html file. This defines the document type and sets the language to English so the browser understands how to render the page. Inside the head, we define metadata, set the page title, and include Tailwind CSS for styling the UI quickly. The body uses Tailwind classes to create a dark theme and center everything both vertically and horizontally. This is the main container. It gives the app a card-like layout with padding, rounded corners, and a shadow. This is the heading of the app, styled to be bold and centered for a clean UI. This input field allows the user to type their query. It is styled with Tailwind to look clean and modern. This button triggers the Get Grocery function when clicked. It sends the user's input to the backend. This empty list will be used to display the grocery items returned from the server. This closes the main container of the app. This function starts by getting the user's input from the text field. We send a post request to the backend with the user's query in JSON format. Once we get the response, we convert it into JSON so we can use the data. We select the result container and clear any previous results before displaying new ones. We loop through each grocery item, create a list element for it, style it, and add it to the result list. This closes the JavaScript function and script block. This closes the body and completes the HTML document. Now open your terminal, navigate to your project folder, and run Python app.py. This will start our server. Click on the link, and here you go. Now let's test it. Type I want to cook pasta and click on Generate Grocery List. It returns all the items needed to make pasta. Try the same for biryani and boom, it generates the complete grocery list for that as well. So that's all for today. If you really like this video, make sure to subscribe, share it with others, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Until next time, take care. Bye.